Let's learn about the depreciation today. We'll understand what is depreciation and how the depreciation shall be calculated. Okay, so what is depreciation? Just a moment. So what do we really understand by depreciation? When we say the word called depreciation, depreciation means decrease in the value. What do we understand by the word called depreciation? Depreciation means decrease in the value. Let's say A is a person has purchased a product for rupees 100. A has purchased a product worth 100 rupees, but after an year this value is on day one, first day or day first day. So after an year this value has been reduced by 10%. 10% reduced. So what is the value after an year? That means 100% minus 10%. So what it is? It is 90 rupees. How am I saying it is as a 90 rupees? 100 rupees means we consider 100 rupees as 100%. Minus 10% out of 100% is 10 rupees. So when we calculate that, that amounts to 90 rupees. Right? So this is the depreciation. Depreciation is something but the reduction in the value. Let's say if someone says that liability and assets, right? So assets and liabilities shall be derived on the basis of depreciation and appreciation. Okay, so what is the appreciation here? Let me even say you that when we say the depreciation means a decrease in the value, appreciation means increase in the value. Increase in value. Let's take the same example again here by taking it in a different form. Nothing much, but we will be just repeating the same above example but changing the values by applying this appreciation concept. So what have we learned? When depreciation is a reduction in the value, it has reduced by 10%. In the appreciation, let's say A has purchased a product, okay, and let's say even the values are same for the value of 100 rupees on day 1. Okay, so after a year let's find out the value. So it has appreciated by 10%. So what is the value of this product after an year? So what is 100% here? 100% means 100 rupees. So what is 10% out of it? It is 10. So we have to appreciate here. That means we are increasing. So obviously that becomes 110. So this is the valuation of the depreciation and the appreciation, right? So this is how we calculate the depreciation and appreciation. Okay, so this is all good. We have understood what is depreciation and appreciation, but how are we going to judge whether the product or the what do we say, the goods which have been purchased by the person are assets or liabilities? Okay, so before we understand on that concept, let's see what is asset and what is liability. Asset and liability. Okay, so asset is something which increases in the value or paybacks the interest for acquiring it. What is it? It is, it increases in the value or it even pays back the interest. It can be in any form by acquiring this. So that sort of product is called as asset. And liability it itself is a reduction in the value, or it is actually demanding more amount, that can be even called as expense. So in order to maintain this product that actually demands some money out of your pocket, so that's called as expense. So this is what a simple example which we can determine to understand a product whether it is a asset or liability. Okay, so let's understand by taking a small example here. A has purchased a phone worth 50,000 rupees. How much? The A has purchased a phone worth 50,000, and B has purchased a gold for same 50,000 rupees. Here let me know what is asset and what is liability. The phone is a liability and the gold is an asset. How am I saying this as? By applying the above concept. What is that? Phone will always depreciate in its value, and gold, as per the standard market, it started or it will be actually increasing. Even that will be decreasing in certain cases, but that is temporary. So we see gold as asset because that gradually increases the value. So this is how we actually calculate, right? So here, this is how we actually see. Just a moment, what happened? Oh, nothing. Okay, so here that's how we actually calculate the product as the depreciation, or by asset or liability. So when we actually involve the depreciation and the appreciations concept in the assets and liabilities, that defines the product. So hope this concept is clear. We will be just learning much deeper in the upcoming days, in the upcoming lectures. Thank you.